What's up, YouTube? This is Mega Manny 009. Right now, for the last few hours, I've been working on right-hand drive clip so I can get everything prepped and ready so I can start cutting the spot welds. Um, I pretty much got everything out, the dash and everything, and tomorrow morning I'll just come back out and do the pedals and stuff like that. And it looks pretty good in here so far. As far as the wire harness is going to be no use for me because it was already cut, but I'll probably save it in case I need to extend some wires from when I tuck my harness and stuff like that. You can see I already got the dash and all that over there, and my box is down there, and the heater core. So this is what I got right here. It's a very long process to do this. So you just gotta take your time. I've been taking pictures, so I can put everything back together the way it was. So yeah, this is it. So tomorrow I'll be cutting the spot welds and hopefully get this firewall out before the end of the week. Alright, stay tuned.